In the system of racism, and we're all in the system of white supremacy, that's the dominant influence everywhere on the planet. The system of white supremacy is the dominant religious and political influence everywhere on the planet as we speak now. The whole ideology of white supremacy is the dominant political and religious influence on this planet as we speak right now, which means that everything that everybody does on this planet is either in support of that dominant system or they are reacting to it in a way that's hostile to it or trying to eliminate it at all times, because that is the only system that is dominant. All other so-called systems are really almost non-existent. There is no such thing as another system of government on this planet as we speak, other than the government of white supremacy, which means a system based on white, non-white, with white people who believe in, not all white people, but those white people who believe in dominating and mistreating people. That relates to the Dark Knight, I would say indirectly, in that the gentleman or the person who walked into the theater and started shooting people had a subliminal reason for doing so. And that subliminal reason is, according to all of his training, if you're a white person or a non-white person anywhere on the planet, everything that you have ever learned is that you destroy whatever is dark. Dark is not supposed to exist, particularly in the form of people. And when you think of knights, you usually think, in an ancient way, of knights being white. Everybody, every damsel, every queen, every princess is waiting on the white knight. The white knight. Where is the white knight who's coming and make everything the way that it ought to be, coming to solve all of our problems? So then when you put in the minds the reverse of that, something dark, and say you're going to have a dark night, and that dark night is rising. Rising how? Rising against whom? Rising against what? So someone white, may say, well, all of my training, everything I've ever heard, is supposed to be opposed to everything that is dark. So therefore, I am supposed to be in a destructive mood, in a destructive mode. My behavior is supposed to be destructive of anything that even hints of something dark rising. Something dark rising. Rising against what? Maybe rising against me. In a world that's dominated by white supremacy, you don't have anything, any kind of darkness coming toward me, coming toward my neighborhood, coming toward my existence, coming toward my ambitions. No, you destroy that. And you destroy anything that's supportive of that. So that could be. It could be a subliminal thing. Psychologists should be studying this from that perspective. Because after all, the dominant influence on this planet as we speak is white against dark, white against dark, white against dark, white against dark. That's drummed into people from the time you open a book to the time that you look around and hear about anything. It's always opposed to darkness, anything dark. And particularly, you see a dark person coming down the street. Oh, you're supposed to be opposed to that darkness. There's something incorrect about darkness. Darkness should not exist. At least if it does exist, it's supposed to be patrolled. It's supposed to be controlled. It's supposed to be dominated. It's supposed to be stomped on. It's supposed to be kicked in the middle of a highway because there's something wrong with anything that's dark. And if it's in the form of a person, oh my goodness, that's something that should not be. How did this come to be? How do you have dark people in something that looks some type of apparition, some type of strange creatures walking around that look like people, but they have dark skin, or they're clothed in darkness, and they put you in a dark mood, and they take you back into the chasms of darkness, and you've fallen into a pit of darkness. And you have black holes out there in outer space. Oh, calamity, calamity, calamity. Dark, dark, dark. Calamity, dark, calamity. Kill it. Kill everybody associated with it. Kill everybody who might be supportive of it. Stomp on it. Scratch it out. It's poisonous.